how to use the tablet in the classroom. Keep the tablets somewhere safe. You can turn on the tablets for the students, or you can teach the students how to turn on the tablet and start the game themselves. Hand out the tablets to the students. With the tablet, the teacher is the facilitator. The game is designed so children can play on their own. Observe the children while they play. They can raise their hand to call your attention if they need help. This tablet cannot connect to the internet. You cannot add more games or applications to this tablet. The educational game is the only application that works on the tablet. The game is played on a tablet computer. It is an educational game. It aims to help young children learn and practice their literacy and math skills through fun and engaging exercises. Collect the tablets. Make sure to turn off the tablets and keep them somewhere safe. I am very happy to learn how to use a tablet. As a parent, I've witnessed great improvements with my child. The game makes the child love school. It creates a desire for a child to love school.